Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to create contact form in WordPress and how to add into your pages and many more about the contact form. So in this video I am going to use contact form 7 and contact form by WP Forms. I will explain you everything about these forms and how to use it. So video is going to be more important, and before start I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's dive into. So I am going to use these two plugins one by one. First of all, contact form 7. And if you ask me which is the best, then I will recommend this plugin because it has many features, and as you can see both have 5 million active installations and they both are free to use. So just go to plugins and add new and search for contact form 7, and then you have to install. Click on install now, and after the installation you have to activate one contact form 7. So as you can see our plugin is installed. Now you have to go to settings, and here in the setting page you can see contact form 1, which is the default form they give us. We can use it either, or we can also create the new one. So to create the new one we have to click on add new in the top bar. So here I just add new, and here I have to mention the name of the form, contact us, and after if you scroll down then you can see the default fields and a submit button here. So this is the syntax to use contact form 7, and we can use it and we can manage everything in this form. And I am going to add new field here to explain you how to use it. So just click on the number field, and here you have to mention the type, slider or spin box, and this is the option if you want to require the field or not. Just click on required, and here the name of the field, number find gap, this is the default value. I can select this one, and I can select the placeholder as well. And if you want to select the range, then minimum range is 0 and maximum is 100. And here the ID of the field or the class. So these things are useful if you want to style the field. So find gap form ID. So I just give the ID and then insert tag. So we just need a space here like this, and now we are going to apply the label. Just copy it and paste it there, and copy it as well the closing label. So we just add the label and change the name, number. So as you can see in the parameters, this is the ID, placeholder, minimum, max, and this is the name of the field. So if we put the static there, then it means it is required field. So we just have to save it. So we just created a form, and here we have the shortcode of the form. Just copy it, and now we are going to create a new page. Just add new page, and here the page name, contact us page, and publish. We can paste the shortcode in any page editor like Elementor, or you can use the default. Just paste it, update, and now just view the page. So as you can see contact form is showing there, and we can style this field by simply CSS width is equal to 100%, and here the email subject and the message box, and in the end we can see the submit button. So after that we need to configure and make sure some things. Just go back to form, and here you can see the mail, and here you can see you can change these fields like to and from, and here you have to mention the official email info@findgap.com. So you can create your email like this from the cPanel, and after that you can make sure these things, your body, your name, email, and subject here. You can also change it by just copy from here, like if you want to put the email here as well, and you can use the HTML content as well. So by this option you can add the HTML, and here you can also attach the file attachments. So after that you have to save it, and here you can see you can change the options like error message, submit message, validation message. And guys, if you face any issues in this form, then I have already created a video on the issues of the contact form 7. I will put the link in the description. So just save it. So we just created a contact form 7, and I have showed everything about this. So now we are going to use another form plugin. Just go to plugins, and here we just install the plugin. Now we need to activate it. So this is also the best plugin. I like this plugin because of the logo as well. It is the cute one. So just click on the create your first form, So it just redirect us the another page, and it is also UI friendly. So we just need to put the name of the form, contact, and we can select the templates, and here some available templates. So to use another templates, we have to buy the pro version. So here you can see every type of templates here, non-profit registrations and many others. So we are going to use free one. Use this template. So here the built-in form. I'm going to change this one. Just click on it, and here you can see name. You can change it, format, and the description, and this is the required button. And if you go to advanced, then you can see you can select the size of the field, like small, medium, large. So it will manage like that. You can also give the css, and you can change the labels from here, placeholder, default value, and you can apply the logics on this field, but it is pro version. So just go back to form. So here are the available free fields, but these are the pro version. So you can see payment fields and the fancy fields. And now I am going to add this field into my form. Just drag and drop, and then you have to click on it, and you can change these names like fine gap, and I am going to put my name Aman Gafar, and just skip this one. So we can use the images as well. Just click on it and use the image, upload image, LM freak, and upload this. So I am going to upload my thumbnail. So just save your settings. So by this way you can add multiple choice field, and these are the other fields. You can also make sure settings. So you can also available the reCAPTCHA. So here you can see custom reCAPTCHA and keyword filter. Some are the pro versions. Go to notification, and here you can see you can change the email format. So it will use the admin email, and here you can see you can manage the email message. Just go to confirmation, and you can see you can modify the confirmation email template, and just go back to fields again, and then save it, and you can preview your form, and you can see your embed, and it is asking here if you want to create a new page or use the existing one. So we have already created a page. Just select the existing page, and here you can see you can select your page, contact us. Let's go. Our page form is added, and we are going to remove this one, and now add form from this button. So now select the form name, contact, show form name, show form description, add form. So here you can see shortcut is added, and now I am going to update this page, and after that refresh the page again. So here you can see form is added. This is the first name, last name, multiple choice. Either you can select this one or this one. So our images is too huge because this is the random images. You can apply your own type, email, and then the custom message. So every time it will send on the email of the admin. And now go back to contact us form again. Let's go to the WP forms to make sure other settings. So here you can see we can add new form here. From here you can see the entries. So this is the also the paid version, form templates, and then settings. So if your form is not working and it may need us SMTP, then you can configure from here. So in the setting page you can apply the license of the form, but we already using free plugin, and after that we can enable reCAPTCHA email from here. So we can select the HTML template or the plain text, header image, background color, and we can make sure everything in the free plugin. So just go back to captcha. So here you can select captcha, trans style, h captcha, or the none. Go to validations. So here you can modify the text of the validations. Go to integrations. So these are the integrations with the form. Then go to tools. So this is also the important feature. You can import or export your form from there, and it is available feature in the free plugin. So you can also import forms from the other plugin, like we have installed the contact form 7, and here you can export your forms easily if you want to export template or full form. So here you can see logs of the form. So we can enable this option and then we can save the logs to make sure any errors or other things. So by this way we can add contact forms in WordPress, and I have explained everything about these plugins, and I hope you must find this video useful. Finally, thanks for watching.